Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Mpox outbreak. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the center has asked states to enhance surveillance and take effective measures for prompt detection of Mpox cases. According to Health Ministry officials, the risk of a large outbreak with sustained transmission is presently low for India. The World Health Organization on 14 August 2024 declared the Mpox outbreak as a public health emergency of international concern. Now let's discuss what is Mpox. The Mpox or monkeypox virus is an orthopox virus, which is a genus of viruses that also includes the variola virus, which causes smallpox. Monkeypox is a zoonosis, a disease that is transmitted from infected animals to humans. According to the WHO, cases occur close to tropical rainforest inhabited by animals that carry the virus. Monkeypox virus infection has been detected in squirrels, Gambian poached rats, dormice, and some species of monkeys. There are two subtypes of the virus, the more virulent Clade 1, endemic in the Congo Basin in Central Africa, and Clade 2, endemic in West Africa. The Mpox outbreak has affected over 115 countries and is the worst in the Democratic Republic of Congo and neighboring countries. 2 outbreaks of a pox-like disease were recorded in colonies of monkeys kept for research, which led to the name monkeypox. The WHO decided to change the name of monkeypox to Mpox in November 2022 following racist insinuations towards some communities. WHO had earlier declared monkeypox as a PHEIC in July 2022 and subsequently revoked the same in May 2023. Now moving on to symptoms of Mpox virus. Mpox infection in humans typically presents with fever, headache, muscle aches, and a characteristic rash that progresses from macules to papules to vesicles and pustules. Monkeypox infections are usually self-limiting, lasting between 2 to 4 weeks, and patients generally recover with supportive management. The transmission requires prolonged close contact with an infected person and is generally through the sexual route, direct contact with body or lesion fluid, or the contaminated clothing, linen of an infected person. Mpox can be prevented by avoiding physical contact with someone who has Mpox. Vaccination can help prevent infection for people at risk. Now lastly, let's discuss about India's preparedness for Mpox. According to a news report, the center has informed the authorities in airports, ports, and borders with Bangladesh and Pakistan to remain alert about incoming international passengers who show Mpox symptoms. The Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister recently chaired a high-level meeting to review the status of preparedness for Mpox in the country and related public health measures. 3 state-run hospitals have been selected as the key facilities in Delhi to quarantine, manage, and treat Mpox patients. Now moving on to practice question. Consider the following statements about Mpox virus. 1. The monkeypox is a zoonosis, a disease that is transmitted from infected animals to humans. 2. The WHO recently declared the Mpox outbreak as a public health emergency of international concern. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.